Yeah, CB radio fans, hello. I'm back here with the first of my 3 new radios. This is a Midland 79892 here from January 1977, and one of the first Midland SSB radio with 40 channels with analogical number here, channel selector. Yeah. It's a CYBERNET board in there. It's a PTBM048 here, like thousands of other radios. Okay, very specialist here, the mic here. This is not the mic gain, this is the clarifier. You can find a clarifier here on the front panel. The clarifier is here on the microphone. Very nice here, very special. Okay, we will start the machine. I'm here on channel 6, American channel here. Yeah, mix between AM and SSB here. A little bit traffic here. Stations on FM. This is an FM station here. The radio is only Lima, Sierra Bravo, Uniform Sierra Bravo, and amplitude modulation here AM. Also, this is the RF gain here. Volume, squelch, PA switch, squelch, high-low switch, noise blanker, CVPA. Yes, a very nice radio. Yes, the clarifier. Okay, you can see it's the clarifier here. Okay. Yes, beside we have another 2 radios here. This is the Predator here, the Midland 13892, and this Lafayette SSB 120 is absolutely similar to the Midland, similar to this Midland here, and you can find the Ford regulator for RF gain, but the fine tuner, the clarifier is here. Okay, and the RF gain on this radio is here. Okay, thank you very much, and bye bye.